Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow only age-appropriate apps and content on child's iPhone on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, we go down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. In here, tap on Content Restrictions. Now to control your content for apps, tap on Apps, and here choose whether you want to allow or don't allow apps, or you can select the age-appropriate group such as 12 plus, 17 plus, or 9 plus. After that, you can tap on the back key, and for books, TV, and movies, you can also set the age-appropriate group, such as PG, PG-13, NC-17, and so on. Alright, so that's for movies. You can also do the same for TV, so you can set the age-appropriate group for TV as well. And for music profiles and videos, you can choose to turn it on or off. And that's it. So for books, you can choose whether to have non-explicit or with explicit content. And that is how you can set the age-appropriate content in apps for child's phone on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.